This morning, I looked outside my window with children lighting up.
Hello guys, so this is a sponsored video and it is by DealHarbour Inc. And they reached out to me and asked if I will review one of their products. So after looking at all of their products, I came across this, and you know right now the Christmas tree collars are the thing. Well, theirs is a little bit different. What I absolutely love about their company and their products, this one has the skirt. It's white with silver, so it has some bling on it. You know, we love the bling. But this, guys, the collar comes in snaps. So if you have a mini tree, a medium-sized tree, or a large tree, you can personalize your collar to fit your tree. This is absolutely perfect. I absolutely love it. So now, as you can see here, this is where the snaps are at, and they just snap in perfect. So here I will show you again. You just slide all of them. They do have, it's like a male and female. And here I am trying to put it all on camera to show you guys. But I absolutely love this. And it snap, and once it snap, it definitely stays in place. So I am going to be doing my small Christmas tree. It's a pencil tree. So as you can see, I do have 2 additional pieces that are still on standby if I wanted to add this to a large tree. So guys, let's go ahead and show you what the skirt is going to do. So now with the skirt, it is very easy and simple. You just put it and wrap it around and it will Velcro in place. So the only thing is, because I'm using mine on my pencil tree, the skirt is for the largest tree. So it is very simple and easy. You can paper clip it, you can staple it, however you choose to do it. I didn't do either one, but coming up in the video, you will see exactly how I put mine on my tree. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at there, guys. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so this is what our space is looking like. All before I did remove the rug so I can sanitize the rug. So let's go ahead on and remove everything and get this tree up for my entryway.
Joyful Christmas news. Hope will find
So now I'm going to add my rug back on my front door. This rug was purchased from Ross Department Store, and if I'm not mistaken, it was about $20, I think. I do put this rug in the wash machine. It did shrink a little the first time, but overall it did keep its shape and everything, and it's still durable. It is wonderful at my front door. So now let's go ahead and start setting up the tree. This tree, I purchased it last year, and it is a 7-foot pencil tree. So after you put the foot down, I'm going ahead and put my collar on. And I've seen so many videos that they put the collar down first and then try to put the stand in. No, put the stand down, then you put the collar on. And now I'm going to go ahead and assemble this tree. Guys, this tree was in my daughter's room on last year, so I had a hard time. I'm not sure if she lost a piece or what happened, but nevertheless, I did get the tree to finally stand up correctly. Okay, now guys, I have it up, but you're going to see the issue I'm having. Look at this tree. My child has killed the artificial tree.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Peaceful little lights, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a special star shining from afar, seeking us to warm.
I would like to thank Shooters and DealHarbour Inc. for collaborating with your girl. And if you would like to know more about their products, I will have a link to this one on Amazon on the description below. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video.
Let it come to bloom, joyful coming home. Yes, I'm coming home too. to be your light in